Speaking will transform your English learning. Speaking will help you improve faster than you ever imagined. Yes, speaking is the secret to success. Now picture this. You want to learn English. You are reading a story. You are watching your favorite TV show with subtitles. That's great. But if you are not practicing your speaking skills, that is like trying to learn how to ride a bicycle without riding it. You need action. Speaking is where the magic happens. It is like swimming. You can't just read. You must jump into the water. Let me explain. When you speak, you cannot translate every word from your language to English. You need to use what you know and try to share your ideas. This helps your brain learn English and think in English. This is how you become fluent. Think about it. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. When someone asks, "How are you?" you can answer quickly, "I'm great, thanks." Even small conversations like this are good practice. The goal is not to be perfect, but to try. Every time you try, you get better. Speaking is like training your brain. If you practice a lot, speaking English will feel normal. Have you ever been talking and suddenly forgotten a word? It's annoying, right? But these moments are great for learning. Speaking is active and makes you think quickly. If you forget a word, the person you are talking to might help you, or you can explain it in a different way. For example, imagine you are in a cafe and forget the word sugar. You can say, "Can I have some of that white sweet thing?" The waiter might smile and say, "Oh, sugar." Now you know the word, and you will remember it because it happened in real life. These moments are like lessons. Every conversation is a chance to learn new words and get better at speaking. Speaking builds your confidence. Speaking a new language can feel scary. You might think, "What if I make a mistake?" Or, "What if people don't understand me?" But mistakes are not bad. They help you learn and grow. For example, if you say, "I go to the store," and someone tells you, "I went to the store," you have learned something new. Trying is already a big win. Confidence doesn't mean you never make mistakes. It means you are not afraid of them. Tell yourself, "I'm not scared of mistakes. I'm learning." Each time you talk, you will feel more confident. Soon, speaking English will feel normal and easy for you. Speaking improves your pronunciation. This is very important. When you speak, you hear the sounds of English as you say them. You can compare how you sound to how native speakers sound. Speaking helps you improve your pronunciation, like learning a song. You listen, repeat, and practice. For example, the word water in American English sounds like water. Try saying it, water. Saying words and phrases many times helps you remember the sounds of English. This makes your speaking clearer and more natural. Don't be afraid to copy how native speakers talk. It's a great way to get better. With practice, you will say words easily and feel more confident every time you speak. Speaking helps you learn grammar naturally. You don't need to remember all the grammar rules to use them correctly. When you speak, your brain learns the rules through practice and repetition. This is how babies learn their first language. They listen, try, and slowly improve. At first, you might say, "I go to the park yesterday." That's okay. The more you speak and hear English, the more your brain will learn. Soon you will say, "I went to the park yesterday," without thinking about it. Speaking helps you use grammar in real life. You don't just learn the rules, you use them. So, talk as much as you can. Trust your brain to learn with practice. Speaking is the key to fluency, confidence, and growth. Every time you speak English, you get closer to mastering it. It's not about being perfect. It's about trying, learning, and improving. Start speaking today and see how much you grow. How to practice. Speaking every day. You might think, how can I practice speaking if I have no one to talk to? Don't worry. Here are some easy and fun ways to practice English every day. Tip 1. Read out loud. Choose something you like, a book, an article, or even subtitles from your favorite TV show, and read it out loud. This helps you practice pronunciation, speak more smoothly, and get used to how English sounds. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try to say the words clearly. With time, your speaking will become faster and you'll feel more confident. Bonus tip: record yourself reading and listen to it later. You'll be surprised at how much better you get when you can hear your own progress. Tip number 2. Use apps with artificial intelligence to practice speaking. Technology can help you learn English easily. There are apps that use AI to simulate conversations, so it feels like you are talking to a real person or teacher. With these apps, you can practice anytime and anywhere. You don't have to worry about speaking in front of others. Many apps also give you feedback on your pronunciation and grammar, which is very helpful. It's like having a private teacher with you all the time. Spend just 10 to 15 minutes a day using an app, and you will see great progress quickly. Speaking. Your key to better English. Speaking is one of the best ways to improve your English. It helps your brain think faster, grows your vocabulary, makes you more confident, improves your pronunciation, and teaches you grammar naturally. Start small and practice every day. Every word you say brings you closer to fluency. Don't wait. Start speaking today. You can read out loud, talk with an app, or practice with a friend. What matters is that you keep trying. Mistakes are normal, and every time you try, you get better. You can do this. I believe in you. If you liked this lesson, share it with others, and keep learning with us. Before you go, here's a question. What's the first thing you will say in English today? Write it down, and let's practice together. Thanks for reading. See you in the next lesson.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you don't miss our next video. We have an exciting and engaging topic lined up to help you practice your listening skills. Click here to watch it and keep improving your English.